And this has been an NDTV impact with the Supreme Court there taking a decision as far as street dogs in the Delhi NCR region is concerned. And celebrities now, objecting to that order by the Supreme Court. Well, they are batting for humane treatment when it comes to street dogs. Well, it is John Abraham leading the pack there and also writing to the Supreme Court saying that this order needs to be reviewed as these are not stray dogs but are community dogs. That is what John Abraham has gone on to say. And it's not just John Abraham from Bollywood. We also have Janhvi Kapoor as well as Varun Dhawan there coming out in defense of the voiceless. Aarti, my colleague, joining us to get us through, the details of what has been said, the stand that John Abraham's taking, and so is Varun Dhawan along with Janhvi Kapoor.
Right, there's been, in fact, been a lot of celebrities who've come out and now joined the bandwagon where they're all sort of against the Supreme Court's verdict. What they are saying is that regular vaccination of people, of the dogs, could in fact be the only solution instead of removing all the dogs altogether and moving them to a location. In fact, John Abraham has written to the Supreme Court, and what he's said is he's called them community dogs. He says they're not stray dogs, they're community dogs. He said it would cause an issue of the vacuum effect that would be caused after all these dogs are removed. Perhaps unvaccinated new strays would move into that area because of the vacuum that has been created. Now, many of these celebrities, remember, are dog lovers themselves. They've shared pictures of them with their own dogs. They say that it's an inhumane way of removing them from where these dogs have been living for several years now. They in fact say that a humane way of doing it is to vaccinate them, to provide feeding zones for people to go and feed these stray dogs, to move them into shelters instead of removing them altogether and moving them completely miles far away from where they were staying. Remember, several of these celebrities have come out and called these dogs community dogs. They say that the people or residents who live in that area care for them, they feed them, and they view them as a safety as well in many of these residential locations. That's what many of these celebrities have come out, including Janhvi Kapoor, Sania Malhotra, Varun Grover, as well as Varun Dhawan. John Abraham, like I said, has written to the Supreme Court. So many celebrities coming out and saying that the Supreme Court order, they're calling it a heartbreak now.
Absolutely, saying that what you call menace is a heartbeat for us. That is the message that's doing the round on social media, and that is what these celebrities are doing. They're putting out that forward on their social media posts, and really urging for this order to in fact be reviewed. And also is Raveena Tandon, who's gone on to say that the breed, the Indie breed, is increasing in number, and it is the local authorities that need to be responsible here, not the dogs themselves. Aarti, of course, we're talking about celebrities here, and also it's Raveena Tandon who has reacted to that Supreme Court order, and she's gone on to say that it is basically the money that needs to be spent by local authorities in order to, make sure that they're vaccinated, they're sterilized, and all that, the onus remains with the authorities. The onus is not on the dogs, and they really are not the problem. The dogs aren't the problems. It's the local authorities that need to resolve this issue on their end, and that is what she has really been highlighting here.
Absolutely, Divya. Now, several of these celebrities, like you mentioned, Raveena Tandon as well as Janhvi Kapoor, they've come out and they've held the government responsible and accountable. They've in fact said that Janhvi Kapoor in her post in fact said that the Delhi government, if they wanted to, could have vaccinated all these street dogs in just 60 days. Now, this is what the celebrities are saying, that the government could easily solve the stray issue without being inhumane and lifting them off the streets. Now, that's what celebrities are saying, and they're in fact against the Supreme Court order. Now, Varun Grover, however, has come out and has acknowledged that the stray dog issue is a real problem. He says that, however, that the stray dog issue was not something that was brought about by dog lovers. It's something that's been created by dog haters. He says that responsible feeding practices must be taken place, and those people who are trying to actually get these dogs, vaccinate them, and ensure that they're healthy and they're not aggressive, they're fed well. These people have been attacked by local residents, people who don't like dogs, and thus has created a sort of system where these dogs are abandoned. Now, that's the sort of opinion that's been coming around by these celebrities. They've started raising their voice against this and said that although the issue does exist, vaccination and feeding zones are the only solution.
Absolutely. In fact, Ravina Tandon there also, in fact, going on to say that as far as this order is concerned, she said that you can't blame the dogs. You need to blame local bodies who haven't been doing their jobs properly. Thank you so much, Aarti, for getting us the details.